Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Acer Predator X49 X QD-OLED gaming monitor. So friend, it will reportedly feature a gigantic 48.9-inch QD-OLED display with an ultra-wide resolution of 5120 by 1440 pixels and a curvature rate of 1800 R. The monitor is a monster when it comes to ultra-wide displays. Regarding gaming-oriented feature, it comes with a 240Hz refresh rate and 0.03 millisecond response time, providing the best to gamers and friends in terms to connectivity and other perks. The Predator X49X features two 2-watt speakers for optimal sound output and several ergonomic perks that have yet to be disclosed, and moreover connectivity you will get to HDMI 2.1, one DisplayPort 1.4 along with two USB Type-A and dedicated USB Type-C port with 90-watt power delivery. The monitor is jam-packed in the department and connectivity won't be an issue with the Predator X49X. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.